With Elon Musk, innovation does not have a limit. Musk is always looking for a way to make everything better. Tesla is already a one-of-a-kind automobile, but Elon Musk has plans to make it better. How? He just unveiled the latest motor for the highest Tesla model, the Model S Plaid. The motor is expected to make the Tesla S Plaid run faster than the Bugatti Chiron. It is incredible. Join us as we take a look at this exciting new motor. If this new motor turns out to be what Musk says it will, the Tesla Model S Plaid would be the fastest car that Tesla has ever produced. Musk just keeps making everything better and better. But first of all, let us look at the intricacies of this new motor. The electric motor is one of mankind's most futuristic and innovative inventions. When it comes to an electric motor, the most important components are the stator and the rotor. The rotor is made up of end rings that connect short-circuited conducting bars. The stator now has a three-phase AC power supply. A magnetic field is created by the three-phase AC and the coils. Tesla's motors, on the other hand, are significantly more advanced, producing a four-pole magnetic field. The current created by the rotating magnetic field turns the rotor bars into an induction motor. In an induction motor, the stator is constantly ahead of the motor speed, RMF. Despite the lack of brushes and a permanent magnet, an induction motor is quite powerful. The rotational speed of an induction motor is determined by the frequency of the AC power source. This means that the frequency of the power source can be changed to change the spinning speed of the wheel. Tesla's speed control is incredibly simple and reliable. Tesla motors have the ability to spin at speeds ranging from 0 to 18,000 revolutions per minute. The battery pack is what provides electricity for the induction motor, but because the source creates DC power, it must be converted to AC power before it can reach the motor. The inverter is used to make the inversion change and alter the frequency of the AC power. This allows the motor speed to be controlled by adjusting the AC motor's amplitude. The battery packs are made up of massive collections of regular lithium-ion battery cells similar to those seen in everyday life, which most people are surprised to find. To generate the required electricity to run the electric car, all of these cells are connected in series and parallel. For even temperature distribution, glycol coolant is circulated between the cells using metallic inner tubes. The engineering of this motor is pretty exceptional, but let us look at what it can do for the new S Plaid. Tesla's new Plaid carbon-wrapped motor was unveiled by the CEO, Elon Musk, in June 2021. The carbon-wrapped motor is a recently developed electric motor by Tesla. This motor, according to Musk, is a new technology that allows for smaller, more powerful, and economical motors. The motors are tiny enough to be carried by one person, but powerful enough to reach ridiculous RPMs. They are definitely a wonder to the automobile industry. The Tesla Model S Plaid is now the best display of Tesla's engineering prowess, at least until the Roadster arrives. Teslas have always been quick, and the business is currently making significant industry-changing advancements. It eventually succeeds, raising Tesla's performance to new heights. The Model S Plaid is the first Tesla to include 3 electric motors, 2 in the rear axle and 1 in the front. All of them now have carbon fiber wrapped rotors and a permanent magnet synchronous PC machines. The whirling parts of the engine in the Plaid are brand new. All of the rotors are held together by a carbon fiber cover, allowing for rotational rates up to 20,000 RPMs, which is over 25% quicker than before. Furthermore, the Plaid eliminates an EV issue, particularly in cars with direct drive gearboxes like Tesla, where power declines significantly as speed climbs. Tesla claims that the car will retain 1,000/1020 horsepower up to 200 miles per hour. Despite having more power, the car weighed 175 pounds less than the Model S Performance version, which weighed 4,848 pounds. According to Motor Trend, the Model S Plaid runs the quarter mile in 9.25 seconds and reaches a top speed of 152.6 miles per hour. The run from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just 1.98 seconds after the dramatic launch. This vehicle travels so swiftly that it's tough to keep track of what's going on. Your surroundings fade into mere shapes and colors as you speed by. This is a huge feat, despite the fact that the car cannot reach and sustain 200 miles per hour at the moment due to drivetrain risk damage. Top speed limits are something Tesla wants to mend for the Roadster, which is rumored to be the next paradigm shift in EV performance technology. This car and its unique new engine are going to leave Tesla enthusiasts and car lovers in awe. In general, the launch of this vehicle is definitely something to look forward to. We are sure that you are anticipating its launch as much as we are. The S Plaid is going to be faster than the Bugatti Chiron. The Chiron, however, does not run on an electric motor. Rather, it runs on a regular combustion engine. Despite this, it took about 150 years for the Chiron to attain its current speed, and the Tesla is coming to beat this record in less than 5 years. Amazing, right? It will interest you to know that speed is not the only fascinating thing about this car. There are definitely other exciting new features to this car that we cannot discuss in this video. We can make another video to discuss these features. This brings us to the end of this video. What do you think about this motor? Do you think that the automobile industry and the world in general are ready for this leave of speed? The Cybertruck is also going to be equipped with this sort of engine. It will be incredible. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in our next video.